Hello and welcome back to Draw with Bubba. Today we're going to be drawing a Roblox turkey. Just follow along and you'll be able to draw your turkey today. We're going to start with, let's say the body first, because the biggest part of the turkey. And we're going to start with a curve down here to start from the bottom of the turkey. And we want a little bit of the wing started because it overlaps the body. So we're going to start on the wing. It's just going to be a curve. From the middle of this line, we're just going to curve right here, and we're going to connect it to this point we drew. And then it's a very simple wing, so we're just going to draw the line on top and then connect it. So that should be the start of your body, and this is the wing. And then we're going to start with the top of the body. It's just going to be right here, and it's going to be right in the middle, a little bit on the right of the wing, and we're just going to curve it to that point. And this is the top of the body. With the body done, we can move over to the back tail feathers. And it's just going to be 5 feathers. Very simple. You want to just start with 2 lines on either side with a slight curve. One on this, one like that. Now we're just going to cap this feather like that. And we're going to draw 2 more feathers on the back and 2 more feathers on the front. Let's do the back first. Draw a line up. Give it some space, and then cap. And then we're going to draw 1 more line up. A little less space just to make it feel like it's feathering out, and cap. And we're going to draw the cap right here, and then connect it to this point. And the last feather is the same thing. Draw the cap, and connect it. And these are the back tails of the Roblox turkey. And once we have that done, we're going to move over to the neck. Neck is very simple. We're going to start with a curve to start the neck. Draw a line from this point up to around here. It's a very tall neck. Like this. And then the same point, maybe around here, all the way down to the body. Like that. Now we can move over to the head, and we're going to draw the bottom line, and then we're gonna draw a head. Let's go up a little bit. It's like almost an oval, but don't complete the oval yet because we need to draw the beak in. So the oval should be around here. Let's draw the beak out and down. That's the beak. And then the turkey has this little red thing hanging on, so it's just gonna be a very simple shape like this. And then we can complete the beak, and then draw the line in the middle to separate the top from the bottom beak. And we're going to draw a line to complete the head. Right there. And now we just need the eyeballs. One on this side, the other one right here. And to finish the eyeballs, we're just adding a highlight circle, and then one on the other side, and then just color in the eyeballs. Like so. Once we have that done, we just need the 2 little pieces on the top to complete the head of the turkey. Very simple. And then with the head done and the tail done, we just need the feet and we're finished. Actually, we're missing the other side of the wing. So from right here around the neck, we're just going to add a curve, and this should give it the other wing from the other side. And for the feet, it's just going to be these rounded triangle shapes. We're going to do it in 3 steps. We're going to first start with a curve like this, and then a curve up, a curve down. So it's like a triangle, but it's very curved. And then we need the other foot, same thing. And there you go, your Roblox turkey. We're going to just add some color real quick, and there we go. Thank you for watching. And if you have any other ideas for Roblox pets, please comment down below.